Don't worry, Manggis, you return it Alam ni Jumelo pilingan dengan Miss Zetke Wayap ni Hang Dong Sui along a contestant na doon. Don't worry, tumalang dito na piling at sengkan Miss Zetke Wayap ni Hang Dong Sui along contestant na tunalong ang Miss Research at sana.
Kasama doon ito, langan sepa. Laban ko na po para ito, langan pa may kalabo. Lagi isi ka cipate pinapon, abang putin, abang hipin ko may lang may pig lo. Sita may final lang mga ganito itong best of 10, mate bang kepsi po ni Chorpo. Lasi non malam so pen jasa ke hai doon itong manatan po. Ladak bang ko na propen bang kepsi nito yung weapon long jod po atin lang isi ka cipate kilang bang ke bang ko na po lang may pig lo. Bago po na doon ito. Jasa tunan malam so pendatang penangan so bang kemen la bang captain si final round lang bakit seperti ponipo.
Don't worry, ilitum labang suara mong matsi. Top 10 ning wai poni bola ilitum ning ding.
Protein.
Now ilitum wahid dengan jong ikap omara bang pisi. Top 10 along dilunji. Labang Miss Zetke Wayap bagi pati Iboy Rapondo. Lagi ko ano nanti kalau bangun nanti kita ngay. Top 10 along kumarang si Kidunji Mato non alang itu inside konek bongo lasi itu sabi ning ding ning don pen alang itu pan chong hong ding lo na
itong top 10 can be select below ng kadwan ng deposit man. Kasi milinon top 10 participant at akan contestant naman ni J. po na itong one step forward bang non. Kasi Apramsi the participant which will be moving to the round 3 will be contestant number 14.
Congratulations, contestant number 14.
Next will be contestant number 1.
Contestant number 1, congratulations.
Moving to round 3 will be contestant number 21.
Contestant number 21, Kampri Rongpiti, congratulations, please.
Again, joining her will be contestant number 23.
Nangin tournament ka tayo mo, pagkatan kaya plangan ng king at si George Pansu Santos nila.
Okay, again, joining her will be contestant number 16.
Contestant number 16, Rainton TP, congratulations.
Ako po bangga pembukit po. Here hihak dulu malah ho. Contestant na to. Aning so gruplak ko pudi. Kali ba kana? So, contestant number 12.
Contestant number 12, Sita Timumpi, congratulations.
Next, contestant number 13.
Contestant number 14,
13.
pardon, contestant number 13, Sir Talin Rongpiti.
Next, contestant number 18.
Sir, can you please say it once more?
18.
18, contestant number 18, Milika Rongharpi.
The next contestant that will be moving to the top 10 is contestant number 22. Contestant number
Contestant number
22. Please
22.
join forward.
Caroline Intipi.
Caroline Intibi. Yes, the next, please step forward. Contestant number 25. Contestant number 25.
On the test number 9, Pamangha. 4, 4, 9, 9, 4, 4, 9, 9, 9. On the test number
So these are the 10 contestants who will be moving to the third round. Kasi labang kep hello final round lang kasi pati pon dia tungke. Congratulations to all the 10 contestants. Last night tung kita menon putot backstage dan third round participant sa tuning nila.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our new top 10.
Next please.
Congratulations to all the top 10 and please give a huge round of applause for all the other contestants who has performed tonight.